this fake sudden love from Enugu will kick off from tomorrow. That is why I termed this one episode 1. So Jokwano on the bloggers Enugu sene hanesu gosere ha wolochi ha unite manechi nine kamagari see the whole upper table. I'm going to shatter the whole upper table tomorrow. Echini ne wulu monde hammer coach nya coat upper table pieces tomorrow. Kama ko upper table pieces. Jekwano gwa Prince Israel na ndo otu ha na monwa wezu gosere na echi niile nya ka bido unboxing of the mystery behind exactly what is happening, asking necessary questions to those who cares to listen. Fake love, that's what I call it. Fake love. Yeah? The first two le go. This is the second one. Yes. The first one they are with accusation. Accusations upon accusations. Then the second one, they are with emotional blackmail. Suddenly professing love. Suddenly professing love. And this second tool do even more dangerous than the first one. Because this one is emotional blackmail. Many people will obviously fall into this one. But tomorrow, I will tell you why you need to use your sense and leave emotion. How ways go can you know yeku? Tell no chineke. No na tuga no nenu ota chukwu na tuga no nenu ota na yase okutokwa ase gbara ụka ka ya no nenu ota na eye ihe we yechasa ya Prince Israel ababta afu mebe Prince Israel na-ekwu na Evangelist Ebuka na Father Mbaka akpọrọ Ebuka Obiafa. And so what? Gini mezie ifro. These are the kind of people you want to be listening to. Father Mbaka or Evangelist Ebuka Obiafa gini mezie because no nya barrier that name ka gini ayeji weme ono kana adukonu shaking. Let me even tell you people something. Oka ukonu people like us ukuoku. People like us ukuoku. Our almighty elephant and bullion van from Enugu. And respond what if I could. That the apota boku no bia kuoku. Evangelist Ebuka Obiaku boku. Na gwa mono no boso ye mege po no ta chom. Oya wo ogu ni gbe wi fe ya da bim. Oka wine wa ka na ekwu okwu unu na agbagalagala. Imagine ko ya do. Obosi onya ha na ri ekwu maka ya apota. The day the lion will roar. Ebe niile ya do ka ebe atụrụ ogbu n'igbe. Ebe niile Ada Nwachukwu Okoye. Drop that comment again, can block o. Drop the comment again, can block o. Agogo mu unu, nde doko unu. Achọghị gogi this night. Achọghị gogi this night. Before you say let there be peace, I want you to go to similar page to Kankema somewhere and show me every day let there be peace. I want you to show me. Jena page sebeni na hunu je ti ayeye o. Jeba je go semo every day let there be peace. Manowulu na those pages need the whole let there be peace. Shineke ya kpo woko because na emu ifi na eme. Man on afu bohodife. On afu bohodife. Until obosono ya gwa. Father Mbaka gwe. Na respect is reciprocal. Nuku mwe respect. Obele mwe respect. As long as he shows to be disrespecting another, he can never enjoy that respect or nachoko or enjoy ya. I will not allow him to enjoy it this time. And tomorrow, mate, isimo echiri ne bido me dokisimo nyari ka mada nyari from echiri ne. Nyari ka ma nyari from echiri ne. Me kwasi ve ne. Okwonu na ama na enu. Opona his own part of the story. Tomorrow, I'm going to ask him necessary questions, and I hope he will answer. I hope he will answer. He better have answer to the questions I'm going to ask him tomorrow. Yes, he made this program heavily this night, but I was so busy the whole of today. Mwese kame fear ya wafelu can double yodo. He came with the first two words webia accusation upon accusation, insinuation upon insinuation. Now, when he has now seen that that accusation ojuwebia failed or flop complete, it did not fly anywhere. He has now come with emotional blackmail. I love Ebuka. I love I like Afro, all the Zionite Nanya. Manakone I love Ebuka and the North those Zionite Nanya. Oku ife ni no chori iku. Ife ni ne o chori iku. Oku chakulu hancha ni ne, which is gonna it shall can apply to all ife ni no chori iku. Oku chakulu fancha ni ne. Wonkwe wopu ozolu message ye into also ozolu the actual message. Ozolu the actual message actually inside the emotional blackmail of love, fake love. I call it fake love because it is fake. It is fake love. It is fake love. If you are there, or want to wash your brain with that I love you, I love you, I love you, then a man is that fuso. A man is that fuso. A man is that fuso. Tomorrow, I'm going to unravel some mysteries to you. Enugu, ono chokwa echinine, ona abalo from pillar to post. As long as ono can buy camera, ono neku maka Evangelist Ebuka, aga neku maka Father Mbaka. Ona aya kusinate. He is your personal Lord and Savior. He is not my personal Lord and Savior. As far as in a buy camera, na wafa Evangelist Ebuka without any respect. Nga na wafa Father Mbaka until that such a day you start to respect Evangelist Ebuka. That day, the kind of respect Uchigata Father Mbaka will come back to him. Mana minus that. Mana minus that. Opu chaschari ifeni no choli iku umuhunku zolezo na 90% of the adoration, the Zion, wonder adoration. Nambosi monastery we bata. Evangelist Ebuka abe ofonyo sore no pape. And no body na phone. No pick who call here. I'm born at Enugu. No me respect no ka akwe. No pohoye. He now talks about Madijen on a hotel. California on a hotel, eme. He said a lot of things. He finished no choliku. Okuchase na atono amuma into gono. Na atono miracle into gono. Na God na eme miracle mbochori ime miracle. Na warrior mbochori warrior. Na even without God eme miracle. That God is still a miracle worker. Now he even now talk about himself or opportunity and market you we gbara that na nyanwa believe na he now buy a bit into Matthias Ezeaku message go we patronize ya. And I am just laying emphasis here and there. Tomorrow Ashiko messages needed what even neje. You want to go? He now massage the ego of Ndo to Matthias that he is not always focusing on only prayers. No, then now a mekwa nkoya de me physical so that he can carry Ndo to Matthias along. And don't even get worried when 3 worst enemies come together for the purpose of destroying one man. What do I mean by 3 worst enemies? Matthias Ejike Mbaka, Father Mbaka. He is not even in the good book of Bishop of Enugu Diocese. But in the message only that day, he was so much praising the office of the bishop as if Nigerian bishop Awuka Afuuneri. He was so much praising the governor of Enugu State, even though you have never heard him in recent time praising Governor Peter Mbaka. Suddenly he started praising Governor Peter Mbaka after the coming of Evangelist Ebuka. That's when he started showering so much praises. So you can now connect the dots. 3-4 kingdoms, alike Ihonweha, can now peacefully come together for the purpose of one man. For the purpose of one man, just for that one man to go down. Or say that they don't only believe in prayers. That in all of Nafane Bele, Nahane Mekwa, if I suppose to be no the Jenu no Gweje Menka, na Chogo de go, Mandona Apollo Wow, Mandone Japolo hospital bills. No a belief on a bele, no a bele, name me one cause supposed to read them. Can ever that message is where he is trying to carry Matthias Nando to ye along. Yeah, or recruit through all corners. Or recruit through Governor Peter Mbaka, recruit all the bishop, recruit all Matthias Ezeaku, put all hand channel together. We go poor. The highest tool who use go against Evangelist Ebuka Unka who use that Sunday. Or yesterday, not even Sunday, that yesterday. Unka the highest one. Because Unka we emotional blackmail. Unka we emotional blackmail. Hey, what I go? Mana, echini ne. Aya dowa okuawa. There are a couple of things already which I would like to break it down. And owuru na nkwucha ye owuru onye na-agwa onwe ya eziokwu. Owuru onye na-agwa onwe ya eziokwu. Onenechi ife ahụ nkwulu. Oya mma na eziokwu dị n'ife nnekwu. Oya mma na eziokwu dị n'ife nnekwu ka ọ nọdụrụ n'ife nnekwu. So I will enjoy. I love Zionite and I love Evangelist Ebuka. Which day did that love start? Which day did that love start? Is he not the same person? Master of RNG? Is he not the same person? Na RNG ko? Is he not the same person? Ne have api nyokoye? Is he not the same person you have issued all manner of threats? Is he not the same person? I'm going to tell you so many things, so many ways you have used to express the so-called love to Evangelist Ebuka and in the Zion. So only when you Zion, name will angle Father Mbaka say no love in the Zion, love for Evangelist Ebuka. Sudden fake love, that is what I call it. Sudden fake love. Makada nwa plan ro ko nwo anwo. It's a area plan. Dangerous tool. I show me much this night. You want to go? I show me much this night, man. Tomorrow, all the more data. You got data echinine. You want to? Tomorrow morning, I am going to announce the time for the broadcast echinine. Just stay tuned. You got your data. Echinine kaido wo kwa. Jenu kwa Prince Israel in the Zion, in the adoration bloggers, because nkwoku I say no Zion, I'm on a Zion payroll. Okay, I'm on a Zion payroll. I'm happy at least na hama in which one they have place on that payroll. You got to go. I'm very happy na hama which one they have place on that payroll, because I want a more who is not under Zion payroll because na move lezio kune. It means that nanda nokwa nekukwa make na ha no under his payroll. So jenu gwanda na mosre ha sit back tomorrow. You gotta go. How can a bechu akwa ebechu? You gotta go. How can a bechu akwa ebechu? Akwa ha na ebe ka umbechu ka ha na ebechu. Okwono na agbanelu. Father Mbaka has said the problem between him and the Evangelist Ebuka. Father Mbaka has spoken. Father Mbaka epuki. I will ask him many honest questions tomorrow. I hope he's going to answer. I hope he's going to answer. Na bake nwa agwa ka n'odo. Ubosi nwa agwa ina baka n'odo ye ebini. Ubosi nwa agwa ina baka n'odo ye ebini. Asịrị na asọkata eze anya n'ihu ekpuru nkata n'ihu gwa ya okwu. Asọkata eze anya n'ihu ekpuru nkata n'ihu gwa ya okwu. One day, that thing you are looking for, maybe Evangelist Ebuka, you will get it. And when you get it, remember that this is a man that has respected you and has given everything for your own sake. That is why I said, stay tuned tomorrow. This is a man that has sacrificed a lot just to show his loyalty to you. What did he get in return? Betrayal. That you suddenly camouflaged into love. Love wuko makodiaho. Love ubakwoko. Love wuko makodiaho. Love ubakwoko. For a man that has done a lot just to show his loyalty to you, for a man that has done nothing but to respect you, always stand by you, and the only thing you can do is to shut it behind his face, and you are coming back to bring a camouflage fake love. Justina, Ejiro ngeba open heaven. Oh, the only thing he need to make you about open heaven. Oh, if one of my programmer about open heaven. Oh, and my yoga yo. Oh, thank you very much. You gotta go. So, all the way go. Je golu data. Me pay. Je golu data. Stay tuned. Megenu to na ebele bikem. Who is that? Huh? That's the boy na phone off. That's the boy na phone on no program. You want to go? So, echinine, I adore you. Go and buy your data and keep it standby. You ought to go. If you're not naked, I won't get mutual love. It is non negotiable. Anything you are telling, if everything you are saying is not narrowed towards mutual love between this one and this one, stay clear from my phone. Don't even bother to call me. Don't even bother to call me. At a certain point, enough has to be more than enough. Enough has to be more than enough. You gotta go. The highest weapon he has used against Evangelist Ebuka is the recent one he did yesterday. Emotional blackmail. Jonathan Som Ibamweze. Ono na like ogo for dona just mara o ma na akpasugari mmadu iwe. Eziti a program generally open heaven. Jebe open heaven. I mecha ya join no. Ono just na like ono kato na mara o ma na akpasugari mmadu iwe. Yeah? You got that? The most wicked tool use goal in recent time. After the first one that has to come with a lot of accusation. No, the first one will be with a lot of accusation. Then the second one will be with many threats. Then the third one now is emotional blackmail. And I'm going to explain tomorrow. And by that tomorrow, I will now give him maybe the missing link that he's looking for, so that he can put it together. You gotta go. Eh? Father Chaloko, Reverend Chaloko, I will give you this respect for the last time, and I hope you will understand that I'm giving you this respect for the last time. Pick up your phone and call Father Mbaka. Tell Father Mbaka that he should stay away from Ebuka and face his ministry. If you cannot do it, you come to my comment section again and drop any comment. I will use you as an scapegoat. I've respected you enough. I hope you know that I have respected you enough. I hope he's supposed to serve a collect 2 by 2 for even being a serpent. You are pretending it also goes. But it's so nande buputale Ebuka na Facebook to be recorded. Your videos are still on Facebook flying. It's so nande buje fuel na mwinoko. But you are coming here now to be pretending like a nation udo. You can even join blue fuel now. Why not? Be pretending in a shudo. In a shudo. Epukuna kam potalugo. Epukuna kam potalo because some potali ya like it. Emana na no respect on a man na no respect. On a man no respect on if you don't worship can worship on a man na no respect. On a man no respect on if you don't worship on a worship. Onya change halo ni ozugbo. On a chok unu chetalo onya hi for do no ka yasi onya ha mahombo. Amam so many videos emailu meye mano manebe ndu at the heat of everything. E put a made the video deba ha ni merie ni kurie onye osioma. Why not put am ba wo opportunity ayi ji we say ndesa yo na Ebuka ha say ogono. Why not you will opportunity abi appreciate for peace. He preach for peace in Mba. He preach for peace in Mba. He put on Mba feel only need the support of Father Mbaka. Because obviously, maybe also your spiritual father. You took side immediately. Then today, you are coming to tell me, my brother, it is enough. If I Jobi, Father Chaloko dragged Ebuka to I need na on Facebook afia. I need na on Facebook from what drag here. He made videos and made videos. Una mano mana poputa muke mmadụ no long way for dragging, bringing him out ka people na akpari. Ono na dey enjoying na people na akpari na akpoi. Instead of uno ya apụta as a clergyman, preach for peace. Each day number for them back where na phone say leave this guy alone. This guy has never called your name. This guy has never mentioned your name. This guy has never called or mentioned your name for one single day. Yeku that is yoku. Among for it to ganima halo. Na atrocities ji we do more n'ebe ndị ya kwọcha no. Mommy Bush we do more n'ebe ndị ya kwọcha no. Who no discourage people from eating a joker, not even people like us who are mere participants. Oh no need them charge. Oh no discourage people from eating a joker. And yeah, you came on Facebook here, you dragged Evangelist Ebuka multiple times. Manya kona mafu ho. Njoso ohona mafu ho video ni na ama na ama mama manya etu akona mafu ho. Nwekwa God n'enu video nke imere eme disregarded. Nwekwa God ebe na my comment section. They drop kwa comment the other day. I still came. I did not mention your name. I threw kwa words to you. You came back again the other day. You dropped another comment. Throw kwa words in the comment section. Ebiakwa today again. Ono fu heba achoro ikwu maka Father Mbaka na agbapụta ozugbo ka ono bịa shie ekuna. Mana ono fu ebe a na-ekwu maka Evangelist Ebuka Obi, una akwa ebe ya ọkụ. Una na akwa ihe ọkụ, una eburu fuel na agba ị na eke ọ na-enwu. Ono na dey enjoy na people na aka Evangelist Ebuka Obi ọnụ. People na akọ ya ọnụ. I have never heard you people caution people who are insulting him. I have never heard any of you wounded peacemaker. I have never heard any of you caution people who are insulting Evangelist Ebuka Obi. It is only people who are talking about Mbaka. You people don't like people mentioning that name. Sometimes among Kufoduni Moon see a reason at times. Among Kufoduni Moon see a reason at times. Father Mbaka made a video of over 45 minutes yesterday. I did not see you come on air to come and say, please let there be peace. You were probably enjoying what he was saying. You were very happy when you heard what he has been. Oh, Uchego Wole, oh, Eketekupu Gike. Ono fo agwa mmado bare camera. Who was something do? Something contradictory ifo kwuru ona amaputa ozugbo ono kuchisia ka agara ikwu okwu ekune. I've never seen any of you, but I'll say biko ona akpalizina Evangelist Ebuka Obi, ona akpalizina onye do otu a se palewa Evangelist Ebuka Obi mana onye kwute okwu Father Mbaka ma another person ona agbaputa bia me nkiriku de enweghị isi. Echini na atonya mmehie n'ihu. Echini ne atonya mmehie n'ihu. Ma atoye n'ihu echini ne. Gono do defa. Okwa mmadu nwa ogodo ewu na ata. Okwa mmadu nwa ogodo ewu na ata. Eyiru washa amaguta n'enu ota na ege sase. Eyiru wacha agbaguta n'enu ota na ege sase na atuso ga. In where you confuse for the umo come they are confused. Definitely not people like us. You gotta go. Definitely not people like us. Unayi kwizuku. For over how long? Every day, bakuta na Facebook, na otu onye afa. When he came out and fabricated a lot of allegations against him. As time goes further, he's still hammering more along the line. We mention on him. He even appreciated Father Webejoy for successfully dragging Evangelist Ebuka Obi. He even congratulated and thanked Father Webejoy for doing excellent work in dragging Evangelist Ebuka Obi. He did that. And he even issued a threat. No maka nyahapo no maka esi apinyo ndaka ọkụ no maka esi apinyo ha n'ọkụ no ye tiwako iwo nsugbe menka na nothing na ye mestori ife ha na eme again. He did it. Leveled allegation against him, thinking that no ya here. When he saw that no na flourish, he came out with threats. Call for a threat. He has now come out for the third time. Emotional blackmail. This one is pure emotional blackmail. Yeah? Alleged a lot of things. He alleged a lot of things. And now crowned it all with the I love you all. After successfully alleging a lot of things, or alleging, he now crowned it all with I love you all. Ebuka made a mistake. Because now be Enugu bishop, mouthpiece of the bishop. I was go bishop unka how far they be going. I was go bishop unka. Echi ne kai kodo na akụkọ kai ko kene nwobela akụkọ echi niile in a respectful manner kai yakonya nwobela akụkọ echi niile. What I go? Let us have a tic-tac. Kai we a little discussion tomorrow. What I go? Kai to kene nwobelo kai palu nwobele nkata echi niile. So nde adoration bloggers nọrọ n'oredi echi niile. Dave Aneke amane ya na echi niile. No, stay tuned tomorrow. Stay tuned tomorrow. Kosarachi song, stay tuned tomorrow. I want you to be active tomorrow. You got to go? I want you to be out. No. If I is in what you be, if I have to block him, it has to be tomorrow. Malaki kono di echinide. Koya wana kumonde hama ho kofuno na kumonde hama echinide. You got to go? Ana kumonde hama. Hafuna na kumonde hama echinide. Kona abu ofuma. Fake love. Fake love. Ebi ne expressing love. This is love. You are alleging a lot of things. Ebuka is one of the coordinators in Adoration, Lagos. Ane yase. Anatuga. Ne yase. Ane yase. Ifo melu ebe na ase mmadu na izugo no yi ado mma okwa ibiala obosi a jezuru moto mmadu ijekwa zuru biskiti mmadu mana afụrụ ngo n'anya go izu ohi is not a way ide meta ye okwa the other day ebe ejidekwara go n'izuru ọkụkọ abịara m ebe ahụ ọ na-ekwu ife niile ọ na-ekwu mana agwa ọ n'ọfụrụ n'anya mana ọ na-ekwukwa ife niile ọ na-ekwu nwo ngo hapụrụ ahapụ o kwuchasịchara ife niile ekwucha nọrọkwa ebe a wolu nya mmadụ buru ga akpa nnu ha mmiri so he wee nọrọ in between and in between when you want to say something you say ai mana ọ sịkwa n'ọfụrụ n'anya ọkwa confess a love to us mana it took totally confused Wipo no use yesterday. If I na well nke ahụ too but that one too will fail. That one too will fail. Reverend Chaloko, avoid my page. I have to be honest with you. And one respect for anybody at the Kwezioku, ebe from no. As strange as it may look like. Avoid my page because a mwelomu tolerance for anybody at the Kwezioku. One, I have zero tolerance to anybody na agawo. Too much. I used to have with great respect for you, and that, you know, even no way, mana, don't allow me or when I can lose way completely, because I like Romonian agawo. ị na-agha aghụghọ. Mmadụ na-abụ na-enwe okwu, you come on Facebook, onye ka ọnụ wo ida ezigara Father Mbaka okwu, unu amakwa onye unu na-ekwu maka when Mbaka started running his ministry, kele ebe ụfọdụ n'ime unu nọ, you even sent message to Ebuka, you want peace o, mana ịbịa na Facebook mmụọ ọkụ ọ na-agba, ịbịa massage ya ego some people, ịbịa gbafa jisiri ike mmebe na ife unu na-eme, na ife unu na-eme eziri ezi, hapụrụ nda ha suppose ụdị dasaghali unu okwu, ịbịa mmụọ ọkụ ọ na-agba, ịdrọpụ vidio a drọpụ ya mfụda vidio n'anya ka ọ na m afụhe. Today anyị na-agwa m n'ozugo ọnọnọ na ịchọ ọdịrị ka ekwu okwu ka ọnọ na mụ maka na ifo na mụ bịara ikwu okwu against your own favorite person. Can you go to similar pages ebe a na-ekwu maka Evangelist Ebuka Obi, gwa m ebe drọpụ kọmentị drọpụ na page ma Father Shalok ngo ka nna Rev Shalok ngo ka nna agwa, go to pages ebe ahụ ma a na-ekwu maka Evangelist Ebuka Obi, jee ebe a jee screenshot ọlụmụ comment drop before now ebe gwara ha it is enough, let us move for peace. Go and show me one. Well, if Ezugo as one of the strong mouth na-ekwu strictly against injustice and eme Evangelist Ebuka Obi, if you know that if you can emotionally wash my head, you can weaken me so that other voices will be heard more. When another thing is you drop one that comment, if not because they feel na Ezugo respect konugu, you can easily take me away. Ewe roast onye shock roast o. Maka owu nu education. Etu a isi wee pụta mee video against Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Kwọrụ nwoke Enugu aka. Gwe jisi ike. Mara nya ịmara ife ọ na ịchọrọ ime. Mewe ihe no deserve ya. Daalụ hinne Obiakezo Ụzọamaka. Daalụ hinne ekwukwana ka mmeghu ka he regret ya ever handling microphones. He said it. He said it. He said it. You called him an arranging master. If a Reverend Shalok will let us move for peace. And all those things okulu against Evangelist Ebuka Obi, if he were to do epota make video casting aspersion on people who are even defending Evangelist Ebuka Obi, telling Father Mbaka to continue whatever thing on you about Evangelist Ebuka Obi no deserve here, telling the adorers to go on and insult Evangelist Ebuka Obi no deserve here, now casting aspersion on Zionite, telling them that they don't have any right to respond to Father Mbaka. Or how work it, or no how work it, or if you are not oblong a honyago, or Bami fail. It was his way video. Why can't you make video again? One them mother people, let us move for peace. No peace with actually, let us move for peace. Why can't you make an open video? Yeah, man. And I avoided calling your name. But on all this same respect in respect in shop here, all the same thing that Father Mbaka name. O mazi potase na apalego, e yamu ifu mazi na apalego. E wuru kwa no kenye na wo go in. Neju ni ye anapu o mazi wuru ugba ball. O mazi wuru ugba ball and the ine chekwo no nwere ife yeme, nothing will happen. Nothing. I'm telling you this, nothing will happen. If you want a free ananya, if you may we wear na phone, they say, Father, please, happen zeno na wo. If not for anything, why you want sing, why you freeze you where? Now no matter what, also konunya, you go feel no nya, no nya po konu gafa. No konu ngu wonya na po yafa. Father, ngu konu na cho yoku dalo. He called prophecy, Bet Niger prophecy. na nke Evangelist Ebuka Obi ka olu ewoluzie prophecy relate way to death Naija. Ọ nọkwa ebe ọ na-ekwu n'ọlụ ọfụlụ Ebuka ahụ, nọrọ ebe ọ na-ekwu n'ọlụ ọfụlụ the Zionite, nọrọ ebe ahụ okwu ha condemn ife mere Evangelist Ebuka Obi na Enugu, praising the governor. Na governor nwere right ịpụta echi niile kwuo na adoration ground anyị adụzi ebe ahụ. I'm very happy na ọngụ ji ọnụ ekwu maka ife onye ji ọnụ ekwute ọdụrụ. Facebook never forget. Yes, Facebook never forget. Na o nwere ike ma nya wụna mba ya emeghe ọwụla anọda gọvanọ ya abata. Yes, ịbịakwa ka ebe a ka isi aba ya wee chetalụghụ. Yes, ịmachari na gọvanọ ehu gọvanọ ka a na-agwa okwu mbụ gọvanọ nwe steeti ye. Ehu gọvanọ nwe steeti ye na ụmụ ibe ka m kwuo na egosikwa nnu iwe na ngwo ehu gọvanọ ka mmadụ na-abịa na steeti ye abịa gwa ya ife ọ ya eme na gọvanọ chọọ okwuo na adoration ground a no onwezi fire dị eme ebe, and everybody will respect that. You never knew about that mgbe Chimaroke Nnamani na-achị. You never knew about that. You never understand the power of a governor in his state mgbe Chimaroke Nnamani na-achị. Ịmarọ abi ịmarọ. You are now beginning to explain to us what the office of the governor look like. You are now beginning to explain to us the powers governor will, and all these powers governor will. Chimaroke Nnamani enwe right to exercise ya mgbe ọ na-achị. Jewekwonunu. Stay tuned tomorrow. I want us to have an honest conversation tomorrow. I want us to have an honest tic-tac conversation tomorrow. Ka ajuke na ajuju ka enyo oli nya ka icheta kene something mara ebe mmiri si wee ba na opi ụgbọgburu. Tony Ike, go and show me one place. You are right. Ebe Evangelist Ebuka Obi kwuru n'alụ kwuo ọjọọ against Father Mbaka. Now what is his crime? Tell me one place where Evangelist Ebuka Obi kwuo n'alụ kwuo ọjọọ against Father Mbaka. Owo kwuo mmadụ afa. Ike kwuo respond to ife ekwuru maka or ife somebody kwuru maka or dala ogbi nke na onwezi ife ọnụrụ na onye ekwu okwu. Asịrị ememezi onye ogbu ife si mewuo ya emewuo because na ọ dị ekwu okwu. Ana m ajụ ajụjụ. Kelee ụbọchị ịnụ danala ebe Evangelist Ebuka Obi meghepụrụ ọnụ issue threat one meghepụ ọnụ kparịa Father Mbaka. Show me one video and I will show you multiple videos where he has defended Father Mbaka. He has fought for him. He has even fought other people for his sake. Show me one video where he has ever insulted him, and I will show you multiple videos where he has defended him, where he has fought for him, where he has fought even other people for him. You see? Show me one. And if you are so much bothered about Evangelist Ebuka Obi even responding or saying anything to Father Mbaka, you are not worried about every single thing Mathias Kurumake. You are not worried. You are only interested in Ife Ebuka Nwelike Ikumake. But draw interested in Ife Mathias Fakuru about him. So wadro. Tomorrow, Bosenta, I have shown orange. mbọsị nta ya chọọ na orange